Hey guys, and welcome to another video on my channel. And I know it's been a while since I released my last video. That's because of university projects and work. So yeah, I will continue publishing more videos in the next time. But for now I will present the Notion Todoist sync project, which is here on GitHub, on my GitHub page, if you didn't know that already here. And yeah, this project is for syncing database entries or syncing to-do list items from Todoist to Notion or the other way. And yeah, if you don't know these two tools, Todoist is really a simple to-do app that's quite popular, and Notion on the other side can be used for really different purposes. For example, to create a wiki or to plan your development projects or to make a CRM, or yeah, you can do Kanban there, you can create tables. So it's really complex. If you want that I present how I use Notion, I can do a video for that as well. But for now, let's talk about the project. So this project is built with 100% Kotlin. So yeah, Kotlin is my choice for new project at the moment because I'm really familiar with that programming language and I really like the syntax and the possibilities that you have with Kotlin. Yeah, to answer the question how I plan this video series, I will do this a little bit differently compared to the Todoist, compared to the to-do list series. So this will be a little bit, yeah, I call that vlog style. So not a tutorial how I built that for every single line of code, but instead I will do videos regular presenting the state of the project, what the current problems are, how I built the architecture, and yeah, maybe you learn something if you are a beginner for Kotlin, for example, or on the other side, if you're an expert and have interesting ideas or questions why I solved that this way and not in another way, yeah, write a comment below or create an issue here. I would highly appreciate if some of you contribute to the open source project. Yeah, another thing that I can point out is that I have created a Discord server especially for this project. So we can go on that Discord here, and there are two channels. One is tech related. I discussed here with Blake about how to implement the ID mapping. So if you are interested in technical details, this will be the platform where I can discuss with you. And here in the general channel, yeah, I write about updates of this project, maybe collect some beta testers or say how to beta test the application. And yeah, just click the link and join and text. There is no rule system or something really complicated for now because yeah, I trust you. And if there is some spam or something else, I have to think about that again, but for now that's okay. Okay, next I want to show you how this sync should work and what I have built already. So let's look at Todoist. Here at Todoist we have a project named Notion Sync Test, and in there we can create tasks that should be synced to Notion. So let's look at Notion. In Notion, I have a list as well here with name and done checkbox. And yeah, that's all for demonstration purposes. Let's enter something here in Todoist, name that test item 1. Okay, cancel. We don't want to add another task. And now what we can do is go to IntelliJ, start the Kotlin app and see what happens. Okay, here in IntelliJ we can see that one update was integrated and that it was the an add event. That update Todoist integrated, that's wrong. We can quickly fix that. So let's say this is the add Todoist integrator. Another bug fixed, yeah. So when we go back to Notion, we can see that there is now a test item 1 that is not done already. So that is this item which we created. So when we go here and click the checkbox, then this task is completed and it is hidden from the current view in Todoist, but we can show completed tasks here, and then it is visible again, as well as another item which I created some minutes ago. Okay, when we execute this application again, we can see that there is another event that's coming in, an update event with this ID. And when we go back to Notion, we can see that that is done already. So that is all with what works for now. And there is a lot of work to do. So for example, when we change here the done checkbox to unchecked and run our application, it should be unchecked here as well in Todoist. That's currently work in progress. And what's also work in progress is that when you create new items here, that item should be created in Todoist, and yeah, the delete operations on both sides don't work for now. But this will all be points that I will cover in the coming weeks. And then when these features are implemented, then we can start with beta testing, and I can show you how to run this app. So when we look here in the code, we can see that, for example, here in the Notion repo, and there are still some database IDs that are hard-coded. So this has to be put into databases or config files. So in order to get that working on every platform with every user. Okay, I think this is all for the first video. In the second video, I will go deeper into the source code and show my architecture or my libraries that I used. And yeah, I hope you look forward to that. I hope this is interesting for you. Unfortunately, yeah, I don't have really much time at the moment. So that is all what I can do for now. But yeah, write in the comments what you think about this format. And we will see us in the next video. See us. Bye.